Welcome to Learn with Eamon. If you're a student, a beginner in finance, or someone curious about how businesses manage their money, you have landed at the right place. Most people think bookkeeping and accounting are the same thing, but what if I told you they are not? They are like two sides of the same coin, related, but definitely not identical. Whether you are starting a career in finance or just want to understand how businesses operate, this one topic can unlock the whole accounting world for you. So stick around till the end because I will share a real world example and a bonus tip that could help you choose the right career path between the two. So let's start with bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the process of recording financial transactions. It's the first step in the accounting process. Think of it as writing a daily financial diary of the business. For example, if a company buys furniture for the office, a bookkeeper will record it in the proper account with the correct date, amount, and vendor name. The definition of accounting. Now let's talk about accounting. Accounting goes beyond recording. It involves summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and reporting financial data. Accountants turn raw data into useful information used by managers, investors, and even the government. For example, an accountant will review that furniture purchase, categorize it on a fixed account, and calculate depreciation over it. Okay? So now let's talk about the key differences. Bookkeeping's purpose is recording transaction, while accounting's purpose is to interpret and analyze the data. Bookkeeping pays attention to details, while accounting pays attention to analytical thinking. Bookkeeping generates outputs as ledgers or journals, while accounting will generate outputs as financial statements. Bookkeeping's tools are Excel and QuickBooks, while accounting's tools are Tally, SAP, Advanced, ERPs, etc. So bookkeeping has no decision making, while accounting has decision making. Accounting pays very much attention on the decision making. Bookkeeping contains short courses or diplomas, while for accounting you must be bachelor's, master's, or CPAs or ACCA. So, as you can see, both rules are important, but they serve different purposes. Types of bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping can be done in two ways: single entry bookkeeping and double entry bookkeeping. So, single entry bookkeeping, like a personal checkbook, only one side is recorded. And in double entry bookkeeping, every debit has a corresponding credit. And accounting includes branches like financial accounting, managerial accounting, tax accounting, forensic accounting. So financial accounting are for external reporting and managerial accounting are for internal decision making. The tax and forensic are for tax and forensics. Bookkeeping is the foundation, while accounting is the structure built on that foundation. Career paths and salaries. Now let's talk about some career paths and earning potentials. Bookkeeping is entry-level rules and bookkeeping salary range globalized by $25K to $50K annually. So, and bookkeeping is the work in small businesses or startup, while accountants are mid to senior roles. Accountants contain salary range from $50K to $150K or plus, and accountants work in corporates, multinationals, and audit firms. And yes, an experienced accountant can even become a CFO, the Chief Financial Officer of the company. So, which one is right for you? Here's a quick self-check quiz. Do you enjoy organizing data entry and daily tasks? You might love bookkeeping. Do you enjoy analysis, reports, or solving puzzles? If yes, then accounting could be your field. Start with bookkeeping and grow into accounting. Many job accountants begin their journey as bookkeepers. Real world example. Let me take you into a life of a business called Coffee Bloom Cafe. Every day customers come, orders are placed, and payments are received. The bookkeeper records every sale, every supplier payments, and every tip given to staff. At the end of the month, the accountant reviews all records, prepares a profit and loss statement, calculates tax liabilities, and advises the owner whether they can afford to open a new branch. See the magic? One records the ingredients and the other prepares the recipe for success. Common myths. Myth number 1. Bookkeepers are less important. No. The truth is, no accountant can work without a skilled bookkeeper. Myth number 2. You must be a math genius to be an accountant. Not at all. It's more about logic and understanding than complicated math. Myth number 3. Bookkeeping is outdated. No. Truth is, digital tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Wave have transformed bookkeeping into a smart, tech-savvy profession. Additional real-world use cases. Small businesses example. So, bookkeepers track daily cash sales, card transactions, record suppliers' invoices like milk, sugar, coffee beans, etc., reconciles petty cash and bank deposits, while accountants analyze which project has highest profit margin, calculates tax payables and prepares VAT returns, advises owner to reduce cost by switching to a new supplier. Key takeaway: without a bookkeeper, the accountant has nothing to work on. Without an accountant, the business can't make informed decisions. Data and statistics for visual appeal. 85% of small businesses outsource either bookkeeping or accounting to professionals. Businesses with structured accounting systems are 2.5 times more likely to survive past 5 years. Average job growth from 2023 to 2033. Bookkeepers declined by 5% due to automation, and accountants' growth of 6% faster than average. Impact of technology. Bookkeeping has so many tools now like QuickBooks, Wave, Accounting, Xero, Zoho Books, and accounting has so many softwares like SAP, Oracle, Tally ERP, and Microsoft Dynamics. All will automate data entry but not financial strategy. Bookkeepers are becoming bookkeeping technicians while accountants are evolving into financial strategies. Quiz session. So, question number 1 is, who prepares the income statement, bookkeeper or accountant? Question number 2, what comes first, recording or interpreting? And question number 3 is, can one person be both a bookkeeper and an accountant? Comment your answers below. A bookkeeper is the heartbeat and an accountant is the brain of the business financial system. One can't survive without the other. If you master both, you are unstoppable. Fun fact. The word bookkeeping is the only English word with 3 consecutive double letters O-O-K-K-E-E. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, says accounting is the language of business. Over 90% of small businesses fail due to poor financial management, not due to bad products. Some common mistakes that beginners make. Common mistakes in bookkeeping: recording transactions in the wrong account, ignoring petty cash, not backing up financial data. Common mistakes in accounting: misinterpreting financial ratios, confusing cash flow with profit, failing to stay updated with tax laws. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Want more videos on accounting and career advice? So subscribe now to Learn with Eamon, and don't forget to drop a comment. Are you team bookkeeping or team accounting? So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.